Hello everyone, this is MJ and you are at my channel called Planning This Life. Planning This Life is where we talk pens, planners, and productivity. I'm so excited. It's June and I'm doing my first currently inked video. Let's get to it. I have way too many pens inked. Stay tuned. All right, so welcome if you're brand new. Welcome if you are just landing on my page and meeting you. Hi, my name is MJ. I have a BookTube channel and I have a planning, stationery, fountain pen, ink, office supply channel because those things bring me so much joy. I'm going to spin the camera around and we're going to go through what I have currently inked. Whew, there's a lot of pens to get through. All right, everyone, I got my Rhodia tablet here. I'm just gonna flip it around. Okay, let's see. There's way too many. I think I cleaned out 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4 pens I cleaned out. The rest, I have not. And I am using them. All right, so let's go through the TWSBIs first. TWSBI Eco, and this is Deadly Nightshade. By Cult Pens. I love how you can see the color of the ink in the TWSBIs. All right, then we have the TWSBI Amazonite. And this ink is Danojo Festival. And this is by Colorverse. Okay. I'm gonna run out of room. And we can do something like this. Okay, this is my first one. Don't get all stressed out. All right, then we'll go to my sailors. And this is Robin's Egg. And this is Sailor ink. It's so smooth to write with this. Oh. And my other sailor and I think this is in, okay, and this is in Celadon Cat by Diamine. Then we have the Lammy. This is Tesla Coil by Birmingham Pen Co. Lammy Safari. And this is Salt Marsh by Birmingham Pen Co. I know there's so many, I know. This is a Hongdian. And this is Sea Holly by Birmingham Pen Co. This is my Hongdian Snake. And this is Sugar Kelp by Birmingham Pen Co. I feel like I should put maybe that one there. That one there. That one there. Okay. Running out of room. Okay, this is my Hongdian N23. And this is in gray. My Leonardo. And this is in Jacques Urban. Jacques Urban Gris Nuage. I got that color specifically for this pen because it matches so beautifully. Then we have the Esterbrook with Coffee Monsters Co. Esterbrook collab. And this is in Forgotten Iced Coffee. Then we have my Conklin. $18.98. And this is in Pondweed. I love that pen. I love using that pen. And then we have my Jinhao. And Jinhao has Jacques Urban. Oops. My Jinhao press pen. And this is in Cacao du Brésil. And this pen has surprised me. It has not dried out. I am using it every single day, but it is writing like a dream and I'm head over heels for it. If you didn't meet this pen when I got it, I'll put a card here so you can check it out. All right, and I think that's the family. That's the family for June. There we go. Look at that color of that Tesla coil. Oh, beautiful. This actually, it's an Asvine. It's advertised as an Asvine. I have to do research on this. I didn't even show you this pen to you guys. This is in Black Forest. This may not be a Hongdian. This may be an Asvine. Let me know in the comment section down below. Is it a Hongdian or an Asvine? Let me know. I'd really be curious. That's a favorite ink right now. The Hongdians have surprised me. I won't touch them for a week. No hard starts, no nothing. They write like dreams. There we go. That's the family. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know out of all of my pens, which one caught your eye? Which pen and or which ink? I would be really, really interested to find out. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others, and I will see you in my next video. Fill those pens, write those words, and enjoy this awesome hobby. See you next time.